The treatment for dark circles. So the first thing that is given for the treatment of dark circles are topical depigmenting agents. These consist of various agents like kojic acid, hydroquinone, azelaic acid, vitamin C. So these are given as a therapy for the treatment of these dark circles, and they are usually available in the form of under eye creams or serums. Now usually these under eye creams or serums would treat 20 to 30% of your current problem. Now remaining treatment depends upon analysis by the doctor, by a dermatologist, to see what is the exact cause and how it can be treated. So there are a number of in-clinic procedures that are utilized to treat the dark circles. The first thing that is done is chemical peel treatment. So chemical peels are basically specialized chemicals which are applied by a dermatologist, and they are of multiple types. In each settings we change this the concentration, and we also change, sometimes we go for sequential chemical peels, sometimes we increase the concentration with every setting in order to get the desired results. The second thing that is done is laser treatment. We use ND-arc laser. We use procedures such as laser toning to give the desired results according to the cause of periorbital hyperpigmentation or dark circles and the extent of it. Third thing that we do is that there are certain procedures like carboxytherapy. This is done where there is more of vascular component in the dark circles. Then there are certain surgeries like blepharoplasty. Blepharoplasty is done when there is excessive sagging, right? So that is one thing that can be done. Then there are treatments such as fillers and PRP treatment. So this is done when there is a tear throat deformity, when there is loss of fat in this area, and as a result your dark circles are more prominent than what it actually is. So filling this area with fillers or with PRP therapy helps to treat these dark circles. Another thing that is done is autologous fat transplantation, and this treatment is done where the skin is very thin and lax. So that is about the treatment of dark circles, and one must not forget to use broad spectrum sunscreen and also UV protective glasses.